Welcome to ECU360, your one-stop platform for getting instant FCL freight quotes. In this demo, we'll show you how to create a quote in just a few clicks. After logging in, click on Create a Quote from the menu. You'll see FCL listed as one of the products. Select it to begin. Next, enter your origin and destination ports, for example, Nava Shiva to New York. You can also search by a port simply by typing the address. ECU360 will automatically suggest the nearest ports to make selection easier. Now, choose the container type, quantity, commodity group, and cargo description. The weight can be changed. You can add multiple containers, and the system will show you the total TEUs based on your selection. In the General Details section, you can also enter a reference number to track the quote easily. Additionally, you can also include internal remarks for the pricing team. Once all details are entered, click Get Quote. ECU360 will instantly fetch the best available FCL offers, combining both contract rates and live spot rates from multiple global and local carriers in real time, ensuring you get the latest offers hassle-free. Each rate clearly shows its type, validity. Each offer displays detailed information such as carrier name and logo, vessel name, voyage number, commodity type, sailing and arrival dates, cutoff dates, transit time, and rate validity. The first available sailing schedule is displayed on the screen. To view more sailings, simply click on More. You can also filter the offers by the carrier names for easier comparison. Please note, all rates that are included by default are shown here. To include other local charges like origin or destination, click View Details. Click View Details to explore the complete offer details. At the top, you'll find the company and trade information. The cost breakdown includes ocean freight and applicable surcharges, optional origin and destination, local charges, which can be added manually. And that's it. With ECU360, you can view, compare rates, and generate quotes from multiple carriers. The Sailing Schedule section lists all available vessels for your route, along with service type, ETD, cutoff, and transit time. Remarks form a crucial part of the quote. These include general terms, conditional charges, hazardous or overweight surcharges, inclusions and exclusions, and free days. The terms of use outline the key conditions applicable to your quote. Once saved, a reference number is generated, and you'll receive an email confirmation instantly. All your past quotes are available under the My Quotes section. You can view or duplicate them anytime. Everything is securely saved for your convenience. You can also directly convert a confirmed quote into a booking through ECU360, saving time and avoiding manual re-entry. And that's it. With ECU360, you can view, compare rates, and generate quotes from multiple carriers, including local origin and destination charges, all in one place. Transparent, fast, reliable. Start your next FCL shipment with ECU360 today.
ECU360. Ship with a click.